How to switch between different Temu accounts. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can switch between different Temu accounts. For this, you want to open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download this. Once you have opened the app and you have multiple Temu accounts, you can very easily switch between them. For that, tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the settings option at the top right corner. Once you get here, you have the switch accounts option. Go ahead and tap on that. As you can see, you have your current account here. If you want to switch accounts, tap on the add account option. Now you will have to enter the credentials of your second Temu account. Enter your email or phone number here and tap on the continue option. Then you can enter the password and tap on the login option, or you can also use your Google account or continue with your Facebook account. As you can see, you have successfully logged into your second account. Now, if you want to switch between your accounts, you can simply tap on whichever account it is that you want to log into. And in this way, you can switch between different Temu accounts. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.